Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding and managing customers in Parsimony efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the CRM module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on CRM, which allows you to manage your customer relationships effectively. Within the CRM module, you can manage their interactions with current and potential customers. To manage customers, click on the customer under Sales Pipeline. Here, you'll see a list of existing customers. To add a new customer, click on the Add button. In the customer creation form, you'll need to provide details about the new customer. Let's go through the key fields together. Start by entering the customer's name. This should be the full legal name of the customer or the business name. Choose the customer type, such as individual or company. This helps in segmenting your customers for targeted marketing and sales strategies. Next, select the appropriate customer group. This helps in categorizing your customers for better management and reporting. Enter the primary contact details and address for the customer. This information is crucial for communication and shipping purposes. If applicable, set a credit limit for the customer. This is useful for managing credit sales and minimizing financial risk. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the customer record. Your new customer is now saved in the system. You can view and edit customer details anytime by selecting the customer from the list. From the customer dashboard, you can track all interactions, sales orders, and invoices related to the customer. This centralized view helps in managing customer relationships effectively. Excellent! You've successfully learned how to add and manage customers in Parsimony. Proper customer management is crucial for enhancing your sales processes and building strong customer relationships. Thank you for watching this tutorial.